finally got your sensation. I hope you're satisfied.
Get on my back, kid. I ain't in the mood.
You insulted my father, my mother, and me, and it's just unforgivable.
Well, what do you expect? I come out, have a little beer. First thing I know, some old broads push me in the corner with some stupid question.
They were just trying to bring you into the conversation.
Well, they could show their conversation. I'm not even sure they were talking English.
I'll drive you back to your hotel.
I'll walk.
I think I'm gonna just hate you.
You ain't gonna hate me. I ain't gonna let you hate me.
How dare you think such cheap tactics would work with me?
That ain't tactics, honey. It's just the beast in me.